Hello students, in previous videos we have seen how to represent rational numbers on the number line, and let us now do exercise 1.2 which is related to those. Okay, the first problem is 9 by 7. Okay, by seeing this number we can understand that numerator is greater than denominator. Okay, this means that it is a improper fraction. Okay, for improper fraction we already know that the value lies greater than 1. Okay, greater than 1. Okay, for that improper fraction, if we have improper fraction, first we should make it into mixed fraction. Okay, denominator 7 ones are 7 plus 2 gives 9. 7 plus 2 9 by 7. Okay, now we convert it into the mixed fraction. By seeing this mixed fraction we can understand that this value 9 by 7 lies between 1 and 2. Okay, value 9 by 7 lies between 1 comma 2. Okay, any rational number we can take. For all improper fractions we just convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, and that we can know the value lies between which numbers. Okay, here the value lies between 1 and 2. Okay, now we will draw a number line. Okay, we know that it is between 1 and 2, so take 1 and 2 here. Okay, as we have already learned about the concept that if denominator is 7, that means this unit distance, okay, we consider this, we call this as the unit distance. This unit distance should be divided into how many parts? 7 parts. Okay, from that 7 parts we should take only 2 parts. The second part from that 7 parts shows the value 9 by 7. Okay, now we will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 parts. Okay, in this we should take the second part. Okay, from these 7 parts we should take the second part, that is 1 and 2. Okay, this point is 9 by 7. Okay, understood? This is the way how we do improper fractions. Okay, let us take the second one, Roman number 2, minus 7 by 5. Okay, by seeing this we can understand that numerator is greater than denominator. Again, this is also improper fraction. So let us convert this into again mixed fraction, and let us know this value lies between which numbers. Okay, minus 7 by 5, we convert this into mixed fraction. 5, we put 5 in the denominator, 5 ones are 5. Okay, as it is negative value, take minus 5. How much we should add to minus 5 to become 7? Minus 2. Okay, now 5 into 1 minus 5, and minus 2 becomes minus 7 by 5. Okay, by seeing this we can understand that this value minus 7 by 5 lies between minus 1 and minus 2. Okay, minus 7 by 5 lies between minus 1 comma minus 2. Okay, very easy concept. Just convert it into mixed form, and then we can know between which values this rational number lies. Okay, now I am drawing a number line. Okay, okay children, where negative values lies left side to the 0 or right side to the 0? Yes, negative values lies to the left side of the 0. So If I consider if it is 0 is here, then minus 1 comes to the left side. And now we take minus 2 here. Okay, between minus 1 and minus 2, how many parts we should make? Denominator we are having 5. So we should divide into 5 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 parts. Okay, from these 5 parts, how many parts we should take? We should take 2 parts. Okay, 2 by 5. Okay, as this is negative value, we start counting from the here, from here to the left side. Okay, this is first part and this is second part. Okay, minus 1, minus 2 by 5 here. So this is the point where minus 7 by 5 lies. Okay, always remember one thing, children, from improper fractions we should take it into the mixed form, and then we can understand the number lies between which numbers. And also remember one thing, that the denominator indicates how many parts the number line should be divided into. Okay, number of parts to be divided. Okay, now let us move on to the question number 2. Okay children, second question is represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13 and minus 9 by 13 on the number line. Okay children, by seeing these three numbers we can understand that it is a proper fraction. Okay, why? Because all the numerators are less than denominators. Okay, minus 2 by 13, comma 5 by 13, comma minus 9 by 13. Okay, in all the three numbers numerator is less than denominator. Okay, all these are proper fractions. As these are proper fractions, the values lies between, therefore values lies between which values? 0, 1. Okay, now we should draw a number line. Okay, we are having negative values, so we can take minus 1 also. Okay, minus 1, 0 and 1, and from 0 to minus 1 we should make how many parts? As denominator is 13, we should make 13 parts. Again from 0 to 1, how many parts? Again we are having denominator 13, so 13 parts to the right of 0 and 13 parts to the left of 0. Okay children, now we are drawing a number line here. In the center I take 0. Okay, right side, here it is 1, here it is minus 1. Okay, now we should divide this into 13 parts, again here into 13 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 parts. Okay, this is minus 1. Again here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 parts. Okay, this is plus 1. Now to the right of 0 up to 1. Okay, all these are 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13, 5 by 13. Okay, here we are having 5 by 13. So this is the place where 5 by 13 lies. Next we need minus 2 by 13, okay, to the left side, okay. Negative values will be left side of 0. So minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, we need minus 9 by 13, minus 10 by 13, minus 11 by 13, minus 12 by 13, and the last is minus 13 by 13. This is the minus 1. Okay, now we need, already we selected the 5 by 13. Now we should place the minus 2 by 13. Where is minus 2 by 13? It is here. And next minus 9 by 13. Okay, this is minus 9 by 13. Okay, now I'm circling minus 9 by 13, minus 2 by 13 and 5 by 13. Now I represented the three numbers on the number line. This is the way how we represent on the number line. Okay. Next we will see the third one. Okay children, question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Okay. Here we are having number 5 by 6 and we should take 5 rational numbers which are smaller than this number. Okay. By seeing this number, we can observe that numerator is less than denominator. So this is again a proper fraction. Okay, for proper fraction, as we know that the value lies between which numbers? 0, 1. Okay, now I am drawing a number line. Zero and 1 will be here. Okay, denominator is 6. So divide this unit distance into how many parts? 6 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, now let us denote them as 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and the last one is 6 by 6, which is equal to 1. Okay children, now what is the value given here? 5 by 6. Okay, this is 5 by 6 and we need 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 5 by 6. Okay, these numbers which are left side to the 5 by 6 are less than 5 by 6. That means the smaller numbers to 5 by 6 are 4 by 6, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 1 by 6 and 0. How many numbers we are having? We are having 5 numbers. So we can take these 5 numbers are the numbers which are less than, smaller than 5 by 6. Okay. Therefore, rational numbers smaller than 5 by 6 are 0, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 values which are smaller than 5 by 6. This is the way how we denote the numbers on the number line and how we should divide them into how many parts. The denominator is 6, so divide into 6 parts and do the number line. Okay. Next we will move on to the question number 4 children. Okay children, now question number 4. Find 12 rational numbers between -1 and 2. Okay, we are having two numbers here, that is -1, 2. We should find 12 rational numbers between these two numbers. Okay, between these two numbers, if we directly plot on the number line, we get how many numbers between these two numbers? We get only -1, 0, 1 and 2. How many values we can get? Only 2 values. Okay, but we need 12 values. So for that, what we should do? We just multiply and divide by. Here we got only 2 values, but we need how many values? 12 values. So what we should do? So multiply and divide by 10 for two numbers. Okay, for two numbers we should multiply and divide by 10, that is -1 into 10 by 10 comma 2 into 10 by 10. Okay, if we multiply and divide, the value does not change, it remains same. Okay, 10 cancels and we get again 1, here also 1, so we get -1 into 10 becomes -10 by 10 comma 20 by 10. Now we will draw a number line and we will plot the numbers. Okay, here we get many values. Okay, we need 12 values, but we get more than 12 values. Okay, from -10 to 20, how many values we can get? We get many values. Okay, -10 means -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, and from 1 to 20 again we are having 20 numbers, and here 10 numbers. We get nearly 30 values. Okay, but we need only 12 values. We can take any 12 values between these numbers. Okay, if I take here -10 by 10, then it becomes -9 by 10, -8 by 10, -7 by 10. As these are negative values, they will go in a reverse way. Okay, so if 0 is here, first we get -1 by 10. Okay, up to -7 by 10, and to the right side 1 by 10, 2 by 10, and so on up to 20 by 10. Okay, we need 12 values, so we can take from 1 by 10, we can take up to 12 values. Therefore 12 values between -1 and 2 are 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 8 by 10, 9 by 10, 10 by 10, 11 by 10, and 12 by 10. We got 12 values between these two numbers. This is the way how we can do to get values, okay, between any two rational numbers. Okay, even if we want more values like 50 to 100 values, then we can just multiply and divide by 100. Okay, instead of multiplying and dividing by 10, we can do it by 100. Then we can get more values, like 50 values or 100 values, like that. Then we should, in that case, we should multiply and divide by 100. Okay, let us move on to the question number 5 now. Okay students, now we will see the question number 5. Find a rational number between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Okay, here we are given two numbers, 2 by 3 comma 3 by 4. Okay, here we observe that the denominators are not equal. Okay, in such cases we can't do them directly. So to solve this, we should make the denominators equal. Okay, make denominators equal. For that, here I am multiplying and dividing by 4. Okay, 2 by 3 into 4 by 4, and here I am multiplying and dividing by 3. Okay, then here denominator becomes 3 4s are 12, here 4 3s are 12, both becomes equal. Okay, this implies 4 2s are 8 by 12, comma 3 3s are 9 by 12. Now we got denominators are equal. Now what is the question? Find a rational number between these two numbers. Okay, between these two numbers we need a rational number now. Okay, here we need only one rational number, so directly by mean method we can do. Okay, what is mean method? Mean means if A and B two numbers, then between these two numbers we get a rational number by A plus B by 2. Okay, this is the format. Here 8 plus 9, 8 by 12 plus 9 by 12 by 2. It becomes 17 by 12 by 2. 12 2s are 24. It becomes 17 by 24. Therefore 8 by 12, 9 by 12, and the rational number between these two numbers is 17 by 24. Okay, this is the way how we can find for only one rational number if we need. Even if we can go for another method,